Hello everyone. I hope that the kids had fun yesterday buttoning up the different shapes. Today we're going to work on our little ones' fine motor skills and their pencil grip. Through today's activity, we're going to teach our little ones how to use a dropper while also helping them color in a very unique manner. So let's get started with the activity and see how it's done.
What are you going to do today, Mama?
Today we are going to open envelope number 9 and see what's inside. Whoa, what is this? This is this is a dropper. Yes, and we are going to use the dropper today to do coloring. Okay, we are going to color. पाछा बोलो चलो सादिक
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh,
What are you going to do?
ना बराबर 1, 2, 3 start.
What are we going to do today, Mama?
Today we are going to open envelope number 9, drip drop, and see what is inside. Okay. Oh! What is this? What is this, Sadik? Yes, this is a dropper, and I have got diluted paints today. No, wait, I'll open them. You don't. Okay. What have I done? I have diluted the paints. I have put lots of water in it. Okay, so the paints are not thick. Now today you're going to do some coloring. We're going to do some
Coloring.
but with the help of a
Double.
Okay, now let's start with this. What shape is this? You can't see. Yes, it's a square. But what is it? It is a gift. Yes, it's a square gift with a bow tie on top. Yes, the bow is tied on top, right? Now, how do you take color or water in the dropper? You press this bulb on top. Okay, so just hold it gently. No, first you have to hold it gently, put it inside, and then press the bulb. Come on, press the bulb. Very good. Now leave it. Soft gently, and now come and press the bulb again. Let the water drip. Wow, see? You have to let it drip in one place only. Okay, let's take some more water. A little bit more. A few drops more. Wait, I'll help you. No. Inside. You didn't put it inside, na, Baba? Okay, now drop it here. I'll teach you where to drop it. Yeah.
Dip top.
Drip drop.
I'll cook.
Wait. Some drops here. Wow. What are we coloring? What is this? This is a gift. No, not in the same place all the time. You're not letting it spread only. Okay? What is this today? Wait. Let's take some more. Now, wait, I'll teach you. One drop here. One drop here. Yes.
Is it a white?
Very good. What is this? This is a
Gift.
Very good. Now let's put it away on the side. Now this is a What is this? Yeah, the shape is circle, but this is a fish. Now we're going to color it green. Okay. So we'll take some drops. Open. Now wait, I'll help you. Very gently, okay? Very gently put it in. Now press. Very good. Now, very gently. Arey Baba, I'm telling you gently, you don't listen, no? All the paint went down. What's the point? You have to do it cleanly. Okay, see now I've taken paint. Now one drop. One. Don't press it all together. Okay, one drop. One drop. Arey. One drop. Yes, you have to drip drop. One. Not so much all together. What are you doing? Okay. Let me do it. Let me help you. Let me teach you a few drip drops. Yes. Wait. One drop, okay? One drop here. Why don't you listen to Mama? Naughty boy. What is this? This is a
Fish.
very good. Let's put it on the side now. Now,
Orange.
okay, we'll color it yellow now. Yes. Okay, very slowly. One. Ding. Oh, the yellow and orange, green and yellow have mixed. Yes. The sun is a little bit green. Now let's mix some red in it, okay? So the sun will get angry. Now let's make the sun a bit angry. Now some more yellow. Come on. Yes. What have we painted? What is this? This is the
Sun.
very good. Yes.
I will do it.
You will do it. Okay. Now let this be. We'll do these two later. Let's do this one. Okay. I'll have to get more color afterwards. So let's do this one. It's blue. Okay. Come on. Put it in. First put it in. Now press. Press the bulb. Press the bulb. Yes. No. Very softly. One drop. One drop. You don't listen only. You don't do one drop. Come on now. Take some more. Very gently. Press the bulb. You did not press the bulb. Yes. Not in the same place. In different place. Come on. Again. But press the bulb. Yes. Now here. Yes. Drip drop. So, you want you done? Yes. No. Now I haven't diluted black. I only did this much. Now I'll get some more paint and we'll do this in the evening. Okay. Let's now just discuss about these four. What is this? This is a truck. What is this? This is a yes. And what shape is this here? Very good. Yes. What is this? This is the yes. We'll do it again in the evening. What is this? This is the sun. Look here. What is this? This is the yes. What is this? This is a
White.
we'll do it later. Answer me. What is this? This is a gift. Yes. And this is a
Sun.
huh? Fish. This is a
The sun.
fish. Very good. We'll do these two in the evening. Okay, I promise. So parents, as you guys saw, through today's activity, we're going to teach our little ones how to use a dropper. Alright, we're going to use the contents of envelope number 9, drip drop. We've sent you some pictures along with this dropper in the envelope. What you will do is you will dilute the colors a lot. You will dilute the paints so that they are easy to use and get inside the dropper. Alright, they need to be of a very liquid consistency. Once that is done, then you will ask your little ones and teach them how to use the dropper, how to press this bulb on top and take paint inside, and then help them drop it gently onto these pictures and help them paint with the help of a dropper. So it's a unique, fun activity, alright, and it's going to help your little ones learn how to focus and use a few muscles on their hands. So it's going to work on their fine motor skills as well as their hand-eye coordination. Alright parents, so that's all for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.